Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into one of the most intriguing comparisons of our time, Russia versus America, the battle of superpower technologies. These two nations have been at the forefront of technological innovation, particularly in the military and defense sectors. From hypersonic missiles to next-gen fighter jets, from satellite warfare to advanced AI systems, the race for global technological dominance is more intense than ever. Let's break down the major aspects of this rivalry, including their exterior technological advancements, interior systems, performance capabilities, safety features, unique selling points, costs, and finally, what all this means for the future of warfare and power projection. Starting with the exterior, Russia and America both showcase impressive technological assets that reflect their respective doctrines. Russia often emphasizes rugged, durable, high-impact designs meant to perform well in extreme weather and challenging terrain. Their S-400 and S-500 missile defense systems are massive, powerful, and have been exported to various countries, symbolizing both utility and geopolitical leverage. On the other hand, the American exterior approach focuses on stealth, aerodynamic superiority, and modular construction. Platforms like the F-35 Lightning II and the B-2 Spirit stealth bomber are shaped for low radar visibility and optimized for advanced missions. While Russian hardware looks aggressive and solid, American systems are sleek and surgical, a visual representation of precision warfare. When it comes to interior systems, we see a clear divide in technological philosophy. Russian military tech often includes simpler, battle-tested components that can operate in adverse environments with limited digital dependency. This makes them extremely resilient against cyber warfare and electromagnetic pulse (EMP) attacks. In contrast, American interiors are digital-heavy, AI-integrated, and designed for high-speed data fusion. The inside of an F-35, for example, is like a flying data center, integrating real-time battlefield information and allowing pilot-machine collaboration at a highly advanced level. While Russian systems rely on human skill and mechanical integrity, American interiors are based on networked intelligence and tech-driven dominance. Performance is where the competition becomes fierce. Russian hypersonic missiles like the Avangard and Kinzhal are unmatched in speed, maneuverability, and unpredictability. These can reach speeds up to Mach 10 and can evade traditional missile defenses with ease. The Su-57 Felon fighter jet offers supercruise and supermaneuverability, built for dogfights and evading radar. Meanwhile, American technology focuses on all-domain superiority. The F-35 might not be the Su-57 in its turn radius, but it dominates with sensor fusion, stealth, and beyond visual range engagement. America's MQ-9 Reaper drones and unmanned platforms give them a significant advantage in intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) operations, allowing them to strike with precision without risking personnel. Safety features in Russian tech prioritize survivability in harsh combat conditions. For instance, Russian tanks like the T-14 Armata have an unmanned turret to reduce crew casualties and feature active protection systems like Afghanet that intercept incoming projectiles. Their nuclear submarines are built with multiple redundancy systems to survive deep-water missions for months. On the American side, safety is about information dominance and threat detection. The Aegis combat system on U.S. Navy ships can track hundreds of targets and automatically deploy countermeasures. U.S. platforms are also heavily encrypted to prevent hacking, and cybersecurity measures are embedded into every level of their command infrastructure. Both nations aim for survivability but through very different safety doctrines, Russia through armor and redundancy, America through awareness and preemption. One of Russia's most unique selling points is its focus on asymmetrical capabilities. Knowing it cannot match America's defense spending dollar for dollar, Russia develops cost-effective, high-impact systems like the Poseidon nuclear torpedo, an unmanned underwater drone with potentially unlimited range, capable of triggering radioactive tsunamis. Similarly, its electronic warfare systems like the Krasuka can jam enemy radars and communications over large distances. On the American side, the unique advantage lies in interoperability and global presence. The U.S. can project power anywhere in the world with aircraft carriers, overseas bases, and rapid deployment forces. Their tech works in harmony across branches air, land, sea, space, and cyber, giving them a fully integrated warfighting ecosystem. Another USP is the sheer depth of research and development, backed by private defense contractors like Lockheed Martin, Northrop Grumman, and Raytheon, American tech evolves faster with greater innovation cycles. Now, let's talk about the price. Russian systems are generally more affordable, both to produce and to export. This gives them an edge in selling to developing countries. The Su-35, for instance, costs significantly less than an F-35, while offering solid capabilities. Russia also offers flexible export terms and local manufacturing deals. However, the cost advantage comes at the price of slightly less integration and fewer digital systems. On the other hand, American tech is expensive. The F-35 program alone has cost over $1.7 trillion, but what it offers is unmatched sophistication, logistics support, and long-term strategic partnerships. Countries that buy American systems also gain training, intelligence sharing, and access to NATO-compatible tech, which can be a strategic choice beyond just hardware. In conclusion, the battle of superpower technologies between Russia and America is not just about who has the fastest missile or the most stealthy jet. It is a deep, complex rivalry shaped by historical doctrines, military goals, strategic geography, and political ambition. Russia excels in raw, cost-effective, disruptive technologies with a focus on survivability and psychological impact. America leads in integrated systems, stealth, and multi-domain dominance backed by unmatched global logistics and digital warfare capability. Each side has areas where they dominate and areas where they are playing catch-up. But one thing is clear, the world is watching closely, as the outcome of this technological arms race will shape the future balance of power across the globe. As new tech like quantum computing, artificial intelligence, hypersonics, and space weapons continue to evolve, this rivalry will only intensify. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed this deep dive. Stay tuned for more comparisons and analysis on Future Force.